One last thing that I added, one last wireframe, it's the reading wireframe. First, I didn't felt like it was needed because it's actually more just text. If you remember, our user persona wanted to be a very simple reading experience, but I'm going to add it because I feel like it's gonna look very well when we are gonna mount our project. It's gonna look very, very well. So I took the one boarding frame and let's change it to reading one. Reading for the title. I'm gonna break this into pieces. Now that I'm seeing, maybe I can add the cover of the book here or part of the cover. No, I think not because the covers usually are like this big, no? And if we only put one part of it, maybe we are missing some of the cover design that maybe the author would like to be seen. So no, we are not going to do this. We are going to leave the cover like the cover, okay? But we are not going to make the cover wireframe. So let's erase this one. Okay, now let's add up here the title of the book. Title of the book. And take this button away because I don't need it. And this I'm gonna make it like big, like like this big. Let me just check something. For example, if I would add this here, I can make it big, something like this. There'll be a little space down here. Alright. But also when it's pushed. I think I do want to have this on the screen always. It's gonna be a simple experience, but also I like to have like very intuitive um, design. You know, it should be only when you push once, it comes the highlight and what it was the other the bookmarks and go to page. But the rest, I feel like it needs to be always on the screen, ready to use for our user persona. Okay, here let's add some more Lorem Ipsum. Oops, sorry. Control P. And I add some more Lorem Ipsum. Great. Take away this last word. And here in the beginning, I think I'm gonna change the first letter to a different one. Maybe bigger, even bigger. 24. Bigger. Something like this. And the title, maybe a line here to the left. Yeah, this is what I want. Great. Let's now give it the padding at 40. Let's make this bigger too. Okay. Say it's gonna be hard contents and hard contents. Okay. So if I add it up here, I still can add some more text down here. So let's try this again. We're not going to add now the bottom uh, navigation bar. You will see why a little bit later. So let's make this like this. And inside here, let's add some more ellipsum. Oops, sorry. No, I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna take the last sentence and copy paste to here. Gonna take a little bit more. And add one more word just for aesthetic. It's just a wireframe, so don't do what I do. Sometimes I get into this little mistake of somebody who just start to design. I do like my wireframes to look a little bit nicer. The wireframes of paper I don't mind, but then when I pass them to Figma, as I do them for a project or for other people to see, I need them to be looking nice. So yeah, maybe you will do just like me, or maybe you will just make them fast and maybe more practical. Okay, well, this is our reading wireframes and our last one.